Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am doing this little twist style. I already did a twist style, but this is different because it has pieces in the front. And also I was inspired by somebody else and I just didn't come up with this. I seen somebody else do it and I was like, I gotta do that because I didn't do this last time. So here's something different. I feel like it's really cute, really giving. I'm really here for her. Baby hairs are on point. I didn't even add no concealer this part. I'm just not realizing, but I guess in camera it looks fine. I know it's the beginning of the video and you're like, it's only the beginning of the video, but I'm realizing that I didn't do this in the video. So here's me doing it now. We got that out the way. Alright, so now I'm gonna be finishing the video without this, but I hope that you still enjoy the video even though my part's not concealed. So keep watching to see how I got this look. Oh, forgot to mention we did last time my video cut out and we just didn't get to the beginning of the video, the install. So don't worry, this time we have this bold hold install. This is my shit now. It's really became something I never thought would be something that I love. Stay tuned to keep watching to see how I do my install with bold hold and the redemption arc that finally you get to see. I hope you guys enjoy the look and keep on watching if you want to see.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
Can we just talk about the soft glam? I don't have on no foundation. I don't have on no foundation. It's just concealer and bronzer and highlighter and powder and my lip stuff. No foundation. You wanna talk about it? I'm glad we had that conversation. Okay, let's get started. Today's wig is from BeautyForever. It is 26 inches, HD lace, 13x6. It's one of them shitty 13x6 though. I'm gonna talk my shit real quick. I feel like I neglect sometimes to talk about the inside cap construction because I don't know, I have ADHD. Get out my frame. Anyway, so it's not all the way straight across. I think it's due to the lace shortage. They're just trying to prioritize the lace or whatever, but I really do love when all of this portion is lace too. But you can get a deep part on the side, middle of the side if you want. But yeah, this is a hoax. I miss full frontals. I miss real frontals, man. Can we bring back real frontals? That's all I want. Let's throw the wig on. After I spray my lace with some even tinted lace spray, you know what I do? Okay, I'm taking this wig cap off because I don't like wig caps, but I got some little twisties in. I've been trying to take care of my hair. You know they all shrunk. Hold on, let's talk about shrinkage. Okay. Alright, now that we've shown that I'm not bald-headed, let's put on this wig. So today we're gonna retry to give a redemption arc to the missing in action again. Oh, here it is. We're gonna try to give another redemption arc to this bow hold because my last video, I had a lot of issues trying to upload the clips to my laptop. The first clip of the video just would not get on there. But hopefully now we figured it out and there's no issues like that ever again. But the key part of that video was that I had a redemption arc for this bow hold. So we're gonna do it again. And I'm gonna show y'all that I know what to do now. And that all it took was reading some instructions. So I'm gonna read these instructions to you. And who would have thought like following directions would have just give you the correct results? Because never would I in a million years think that anybody knew anything better than I did. So let's read these instructions. Apply a small amount around the hairline, areas of skin where the lace will be applied. Do one subsection at a time. Apply to a 1-inch area. I'm gonna do a little bigger than that because I'm a G. 2, lay your lace on that area and then blow dry with warm air. That's where they get you at. Warm air, who would have thought of that? Next, why it say 1, 2, 4? This bitch say 1, 2, 4. I'm not playing. I don't know, but it don't say 1, 2, 3. It say 1, 2, 4. 4. Go to your next section. Repeat until all steps until the entire hairline is dry and holding. To remove, use water. Okay, boom. So that's we go follow instructions. We love instructions. I was using cold air. It turns out warm air is the one. I had a bad experience before, but now we're redeemed. Me and warm air is cool. We can get started on this install now. Let's start. So I like the way I went about my wig, my last install. So we're just gonna follow those same steps, but it don't even matter what those steps were because y'all didn't even see. So it's a whole brand new thing. Okay, let's pretend like I just came up with this just now. Boom. So I just thought just now that I should cut my ear tabs first. Put my wig down a little bit more. I know I love trying to give myself no forehead. So I think my ears are like right where they need to be. So I'm not gonna have like too much trouble cutting them off. No, I don't know. We're not weird. Don't come before I even say anything. Y'all know how I feel about this lace. But this is some more HD lace because it got them frayed edges. We love to see it, but I gotta cut it off around my lashes because I just can't. Now that I can see properly, let's really get started. I got cater to you stuck in my head, and I don't know who I'm gonna be catering to. What you wanna eat, boo? Let me feed you. You see that tweet? I said, this is not the same niggas Beyonce wanted us to cater to. Now my wig is fit to my head, and we can now cut into 3 sections. To install, I'm gonna do the middle first and then the sides. And I'm just gonna do 1 layer. I'm gonna drop the fuck out of the bottle first. I'm gonna do 1 layer. And that's the 1 layer. I think the 1 layer is pretty strong. Keeps my wig on for about a day. You wanna do like 2-3 layers, it'll keep your wig on for like 2 days. This is really some shit. And I just didn't understand it before, but let's get to understanding. Okay, so I'm gonna just do, you know, I'm gonna do a little swirly swirl right in front of my hairline. I'm not gonna do too much, just like, you know, enough. And then now that I got my little section on, the instructions say to apply to 1 area and then lay the lace on that area, which is scary to me because it's not dry yet, but we just gonna, you know, follow the direction. Now, I'm gonna blow dry it with warm air. But I'm gonna try my best to, like, you know, not let that happen, but it's given I'm gonna have a rip on my lace because the wig is just kind of not fitting to my head. I think the best part about the wig from the other video was that it was fitting on my head, like, perfectly. This, I feel like I'm gonna have to, you know, stretch. But even then, when I stretch, like, I could, we're gonna see. We're just gonna see. I think I'm gonna just blow dry this with a little bit more warm air. But this dries so fast, I didn't know. Like, who would have just thought? Like, I just would have never thought, ever, in a million years. And we're dry. So now I'm gonna move on to this side, and I'll do this side in 2 sections. You know, it looks like I'm only gonna do it in, I can cut it again. We can, what if we did 6 sections? Wow, we never did this before. We're getting frisky. Okay, here's the next section. Now we can just speed through this. Y'all know what I'm doing now. Warm air, small layers. Let's get to it. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and start raising off my lace in smaller sections. I guess we're gonna make it, we're gonna get 7 sections now. Small sections at a time, and just spray my Gotta Be and using warm air as well, just to double ensure that we all melt it, and then we can get to styling. This lace so HD, I really don't even have to do this step, but I'm gonna do it anyway just to, like, feel secure myself. But yeah, I'm having a great time. I love HD lace, I really do. I really don't even have to do this step. Like, I'm really just wasting time for real because the wig is so HD. It's so HD, and I think I got the liquid gold on it, like, so stuck that, like, my lace is already melted. I'm doing this for no reason at this point. Well, I did this side of my baby hair off camera, and now we're gonna do the other side. Baby hair is done. That part is over with. We can move forward to the styling. I will say there's a lot of filler hair in this frontal. I almost forgot to mention, but, like, it's so much filler hair in this frontal. Like, that's really ridiculous that y'all are just seeing all this filler hair in live action. Like, I almost forgot to mention it because, like, I have ADHD. And yeah, look at all this filler hair. So that calls for an edge control stick because this is clearly not going to go down on its own. All this filler hair. Yeah, that's a big negative for me. I don't like that. It makes the frontal look real thick, but if it's only thick because it got these short ass hairs, like, is it really thick then? I'm gonna add a little bit of the Silk Ion to help with these flyaways. I don't know if you guys can still see them, but so many. This middle part is low-key busting. Like, they want me to do a middle part so bad. We're not doing this middle part as much as I want to. Like, this is not the goal. I just want like a small sliver of hair. And here's this side, small sliver of hair. I'm gonna clip these in front right here. But I just want to separate the hair that I want. Okay, I'm gonna separate the hair that I want to be in the twist and hair that's not. So here's this hair, here's this hair. I am gonna take this scrunchie. The scrunchie's from Set Collection. If y'all remember Samaya from that vlog where I did that photo shoot, y'all love Samaya, ate her to fuck up. She started her own business. She's selling scrunchies and headbands. Her website, setcollection.shop. I'll have a link down below. She has these gold scrunchies. She has so many different scrunchies. She just released her pastel collection for the spring. And satin is so good for your hair. You can drop the fuck out of your curling iron, but you can also use satin scrunchies for like stretching your natural hair, the banding method. You can use them on your ponytails, braids, buns, accessories. You know, she has headbands. Go check her out. Set Collection. That's the Instagram as well. Everything will be tagged and linked down below. So I think I'm gonna put a scarf on because my baby hair keeps lifting and I don't have to deal with that, so I'm gonna just brush it out real quick one last time and then just put a scarf on so we can just ensure that my twist ain't getting affected by my baby hair. I hate this scarf. Poor scarf. Did you hear me just tell that scarf I hated it? Like, I'm sorry, scarf, but that's how I feel. I was going for like a dumbass if I had to use a scarf I said I hated because I run on my way to tell her I hate it, but it's okay, I found another one. The best, but it's not terrible, and I'm gonna just try to smooth everything down with this. And then now we can take off this headband because it's kind of pointless now. So this is kind of like the other style I did, but it's different, and I was inspired by 901 Hair God on Instagram. She be doing the fuck out of hair. Y'all be saying I'm Tay, she's Tay. That's Tay. I don't know about being Tay because there's already another Tay and it's her, you know? I'm gonna throw some hairspray on these curls. Now we can do the front pieces. I'm gonna go change my shirt and touch up my lips, and I'll be right back to just run my fingers to my hair and add some final touches to the look. But I feel cute. So here is the shirt I'm gonna wear. I am gonna throw in one of my scrunchies. Unfortunately, I don't know where my satin black one is, but here's an older one she gave me, one of the first scrunchies ever made. I was there, first customer. One of the first scrunchies she made, it's a velvet one. It was that velvet set. She also made that bikini I wore in that photo shoot. It's worn, you know, had it for a long time, you know, since September of last year. And then here is what her scrunchies currently look like. I just bought this. This is another gold one. I mean, just fantastic. She just dropped her deluxe scrunchie, so please make sure you check out my friend's site. Like, don't sleep, go shop. Put a little silk in my hands, just a little bit. You can't even see how much that is, it's so little. And then now we're just gonna, okay. This is cute. Okay, so now we're gonna add a little scrunchie in the back. This is me coming back and realizing that the back of my head was looking ridiculous when I turned around. So here's me turning around again. Not looking ridiculous now. I don't know. I don't know what the back of my head ever looks like, and I don't really care that much because do you see the front? But anyway, back to the video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the look. I feel so cute. I'm pissed that it's literally midnight and I'm not going to see this until tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. These twists are pretty half-assed because of these fat ass nails, but hope you guys enjoyed nonetheless, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful.